Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer assets between platforms like Nexo and Coinbase. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to transfer your crypto from Nexo to Coinbase. This process is straightforward, but always remember to stay cautious with your digital assets to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Nexo and Coinbase. Log into your Nexo account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the crypto asset you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough to cover any network fees. Next, head over to your Coinbase account. Go to the wallet section and find the specific asset you plan to receive. Copy the wallet address for that asset. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be extra careful not to make any typos here. This address is crucial because it's where your crypto will end up. Now, back in Nexo, go to the withdrawal or transfer section. Paste the Coinbase wallet address into the appropriate field. You'll also need to specify the amount you want to send and select the network, like ERC20 for Ethereum-based tokens, to ensure compatibility. In 2025, platforms like Nexo might have updated interfaces or lower fees, so keep an eye out for any new options. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the estimated fees. Once you're sure, go ahead and initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, log back into Coinbase and check your wallet to confirm the deposit. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify details to protect your funds. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. See you in the next video.